Chicken wings are great in every possible way. Here are some oven-baked ones that are not soggy, but not dry either. So here we go! The way we do this is to add some oil, some vinegar to loosen up the chicks, and a wide selection of spices such as red flake peppers, thyme, black pepper, sweet red pepper, cumin. Cumin is a must, and if you have garlic. Don't forget your salt as well. You can add or leave out these as much as you like, but I definitely advise you to try out different combinations. Once you've mixed the wings so that they are equally covered in the seasoning, and maybe even add a bit more of this or that, you can cover the bowl and toss it into the fridge to let it rest for at least a few hours. Then you put the wings on this layer of your oven, but definitely have an equally big baking tin beneath it. You don't want to have the oil dripping down there. And to avoid anything burning and to keep a decent moisture in the oven, you pour water into the lower baking tin. Then it is time to bake these suckers. Damn, my mouth is watering just by the sight of these. I really need to make them again. Sometime soon. Once they're out of the oven, just dig in. I love to have these with some mashed potatoes and a nice salad on the side as well. And that water where the fat of the chicken has dripped into can be used as stock, so just don't pour that away either. Make some soup or a gravy. If you enjoyed this week's video, make sure to drop a like and tell us how you like your chicken wings in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the end and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Have a delicious weekend and see you next Friday!